Hello friends, welcome in Ankita's tutorial. Here I am going to teach you if statement in Microsoft Excel. Suppose you have mark sheet with total marks and you want to calculate grade there. This is the grading scale as per board, that is 91 to 100 A1, 81 to 90 A2, 71 to 80 B1, 61 to 70 B2, 51 to 60 C1, 41 to 50 C2, 31 to 40 D, and below 30 E. So these all grades we have to calculate. For that we have if statement in Microsoft Excel. Click on this cell and take your cursor in the formula bar. Start writing formula in the formula bar. Every Excel formula is starting with equal to sign. Then if this cell means D3, so write there cell address of total D3. Before that we have to write bracket. If D3 is greater than or equal to 91, then A1. This is first condition for A1. Now next, again if bracket D3 is greater than or equal to 81, then A2. If every time bracket, after if every time there we have to write bracket. If D3 is greater than or equal to 71, this is little big formula because all the parameters of grade we have to use here. D3 is greater than or equal to 71, then what will be the grade? It is P1. The next parameter is if D3 is greater than or equal to 61, then P2. If D3 is greater than or equal to 51, then C1. Next parameter is if D3 is greater than or equal to 41, comma, this will be C2. And the last parameter is for D, if D3 is greater than or equal to 31, then it is D. And last also we have to one more we have to write here, because if the student got marks less than 30 or 30, then he will get E grade. So that's why one more there. If D3 is less than or equal to 30, then E grade. And now whatever the bracket we use, that all we have to close. See here that D3 is displayed in blue color. So how many times we use here if condition? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So that all 8 we have to close brackets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Result is displayed here. First student got marks 89, that's why the parameter of 81 to 90 is A2, means our grade is correct. Here 72 means it will be B1. Check it. Yes, it is. Now we will track till end. Last student have only 20 marks. so he got E grade. This is 42 means C2, 60 means C1, 69 means B2, 82.50 means A2. Like this we had done successfully this if statement. Hope you understand this. Next formula is count if. This is very useful in counting attendance. Here I have one attendance sheet. These are the dates in green color and this is roll numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and A means absent, P is present. I want to calculate total present days in this column. So what I will do, I will take my cursor in this cell, go to formula bar, start writing formula equal to count if bracket cell address of first cell semicolon cell address of last cell comma inverted comma P complete inverted comma complete your bracket, press enter key. See, first student 22 days he is present in that particular month. Drag till end. Within fraction of second you can calculate whole attendance of the month. That's it. If you like this video then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.